I'm going to show you how to repair a flat tire. The items that you'll need are a pump, a spare tube, and a set of tire levers, plastic levers. The first thing that you want to do is take one of the levers and insert it between the tire and the rim and just work your way all the way around the wheel. Then take the tube out, take the new tube and slightly inflate the new tube just to make sure there are no holes in the new tube, and so that the new tube will seat better on the rim. So we take the partially inflated new tube and we place it back on the rim, inside the tire. And what we want to do is just work our way all the way around the rim. And while we're doing this, we're placing the tube back inside. So we're just working the tube inside of the tire all the way around the rim. Just like this. And then we'll reach a point that's difficult where we'll take one of the tire levers again and actually work the tire back on. If you have enough hand strength, you can push it back on. Then what we want to do is check to make sure that the tube is completely inside the tire, that we don't have any pinching of the tube in here. So we just do a visual check on one side of the wheel, and then we flip it around and do a visual on the other side of the wheel. And again, we're making sure that the tube is not pinched between the tire and the rim. Then what we do is take the pump, place it on the valve, and lock it on, and then we go ahead and inflate the tire to the recommended pressure. And there you have it.